Hi, I am Dr. Abhisar Katiyar, Senior Consultant Orthopaedic Surgeon at Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital. I am a robotic joint replacement surgeon and a trauma surgeon over here with expertise in arthroscopy also. Recently, we operated on Mr. Kamurayi. He's a 65 to 70 years old male patient who had come to us all the way from Zimbabwe with a painful hip. He has come to us with difficulty in walking and he had shortening of the limb. He was operated 14 years ago for a right hip fracture, which was an acetabulum fracture, which was fixed over there in itself, and since then he has not been able to walk for a long time. He had shortening of the limb along with avian of the right femoral head, along with osteoarthritis of the hip, which resulted in his painful walk and not able to walk. And he had a gross shortening of about 3.5 inches. Recently, we operated upon him. We did an uncemented total hip replacement after removing all the screws from his hip, which was fixed by the acetabulum screws which were fixed. And post the THR, today is almost 3 weeks down the line after operation, and the patient will give the testimony as to how is he feeling and how is he walking. His limb from 3 inches, we have reduced this to almost around 1 centimeter. Still he has a shortening of 1 to 2.5, 1 to 2 centimeter shortening still is there, but it's very much acceptable to the patient and he's quite happy with our procedure. The rest, the testimony will be given by the patient himself.
I would say to all you people from the Yatharth Hospital, you gave me a second chance. I appreciate that. As the doctor said, I'm 69 years old and I had given up hope. For 14 years working on clutches, and I tell you, I can walk out on this place with only one clutch, with only a month to go, then I'll throw them away. My appreciation to the theatre staff, the ICU staff, and the general ward staff, not forgetting my good friend, Dr. Pradeep. He did a tremendous job. As doctor said, I was about 3.5, my leg was about 3.5 inches short. He did a wonderful job to try and soften the tissues which were really troubling me, and that made ease for the surgeon to stretch it. Thank you very much, Dr. Pradeep. He also came to my hotel room to do the physiotherapy for almost 3 weeks. I very much appreciate that. Not forgetting our good friends on the second floor, Mr. Rao, Anju, Pretty, thank you very much. You guys, keep it up. I won't hesitate to introduce many people who needs help. And I know people out there who needs help. I'll definitely introduce them to you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Last but not least, I'm not forgetting about Uda Singh. This is the guy who introduced me to this beautiful hospital. We met online, we talked a few weeks, and he convinced me that this is the best hospital to come. The hospital that suited my pocket. Thank you very much, Mr. Singh. You did well. And again, with you, I won't hesitate to introduce more people. Thank you for your hospitality. You took me around this beautiful town. You took me around to beautiful old Delhi. I loved it. And my appreciation again to your wife and her hospitality. Thank you.